Hey, if you're trying to get in shape, whether you're a beginner or you're advanced, I've got this really cool pack of dumbbell cards. I've never seen these before. These are actually really cool. This is made by Zinsk. They did send these to me. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. So there's two ways you can draw random cards, do the exercises. They're also going to give you pre-made workouts in here. Let me show you. The first few cards that you pull out of the pack are going to have pre-made workouts. So this card right here on this top section has a full body strength workout. The bottom workout is a carry challenge. That's where you're going to do like suitcase challenges and around the worlds, etc. So you got that card. On the back here, you have upper body strength training blast. On the bottom, you have a core foundational exercise. On the bottom, we've got glute and stability. You've got green, red, and blue. So for example, one of the green cards here, says bicep curls. And right here at the top, you see how there's 4 little circles. The beginner workouts just have the one bubble. You see that right there? It goes all the way up to 4, 4 being the hardest. Pretty sure everybody knows how to do a bicep curl, but if you didn't, it's in there. Then you could do hammer curls. There's like dozens and dozens of different exercises in here. Renegade row. So if you don't want to do the pre-made workouts, what you can do is just pull 3 to 5 cards out of this deck. Just get your dumbbells and just do a random workout. That's a fun way to do it. If you want to customize a workout, you can do that too. Just pull the cards of the body groups that you want to do. And who knows, maybe you even find some new variations in here of things that you normally do on a certain set of muscle groups, but now you can change it up a little bit. Dumbbell exercise cards, definitely pick these up. It's a lot of fun, but they're very effective as well. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.